Good morning, YouTube. So we got a call yesterday for an animal hospital that says that the thermostat is not working. It looks like the building is having new roofing taken care of, possibly. So could be anything, but they're not open yet, so I'm hanging out in the parking lot waiting to get in and figure out why the thermostat doesn't work. Usually it's not a bad thermostat. There's usually a reason. Can't say that it's identical to compressor failure, but typically compressors don't die, they're murdered. So I have a feeling we'll run across something that will tell us that the thermostat didn't die, it was murdered. So we'll see what we run into. I didn't end up getting any repair footage or troubleshooting footage on this one. They've got a roofing contractor up there making a heck of a racket. It is an animal hospital. There are dogs barking all over the place. And so what it ended up being was a low voltage drop through the smoke detector in the return duct. With the roofing that's going on, I guess they're doing some fusion of the rubber roofing, and it is theoretically possible that the smoke from that process has tripped the smoke detector. Could also simply be all of the vibration and movement, theoretically, that is going on with the roof being taken out and the rubber going down and all the materials moving. The question I've got in regards to all of this is a manual reset on a smoke detector common? It's definitely an older model smoke detector, not a matched age of the system. I don't remember the specific age, but we've got a range from 2009 to 2012 aged units here. And I've never seen a resettable switch on the newer stuff I've dealt with. So I was wondering if you guys were aware if resets, manual resets, were common on old smoke detectors. With many systems that have louvered covers over the coils, if you try to rinse your coil down with that cover on, you simply push all the grass into the bottom edge of the system, and you'll never really clean it out unless you pull all of the sides and the louvers off of the system and give it a good rinse out, clean out, and make sure that you get rid of all that extra debris. It'll do two things. For one, it'll allow you to make sure that everything is clean, and with all of that grass removed, you will actually be able to be sure that during a heating cycle on a heat pump during defrost, that all of the moisture that is taken off of the system actually is eliminated. And so, you know, it's a good idea to go ahead and take the panels off. Alright, so the day is over. About 5:15 for me. You won't see this video anytime soon, but I had a question in regards to my last call and what I ended up seeing there. Goodman air handler. I know I've seen this one before. Did a video on it. But the complaint was that the blower never stopped. They couldn't get it to turn off. So I was expecting what I saw in the video I posted about the fan relay. But I didn't get that. I actually got perfect operation all the time that I was there. Cycled it half a dozen times. Nothing misbehaving. My question to you would be, do you go ahead and replace that fan relay? Because you know that's what it is? Most likely anyway. Or do you wait until it actually craps out before you call a horse a horse? So, headed home. And another question, to see if you made it all the way to the end of this conglomerate from today. What is your favorite one TV show? If I had to claim a favorite TV show, it would be hard to claim just one. But one of my favorites that is not on anymore, that used to be really good, was actually 24 and Kiefer Sutherland. I've always enjoyed his shows, his movies, and etc. So, yeah. What's your favorite movie? Name one. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and share, and we will see you on the next one.